Hey everyone. Hey Tina.
Hey.
We're here. We're going to be talking. I'm Dr. Marc Husband. This is Dr. Tina Rabke. We're here. We do a lot of mental math in our research, and we talk a lot. We're in a lot of classrooms doing number talks with kids, and we've been interested in how we can do number talks with fractions.
Yeah, so we've got requests. So Mark and I are professors at the university, and we think about math all the time and how kids learn it. And so we've just recently got requests around what parents can do over the holidays so that they don't lose that momentum in math. And so we're just sharing some of our favorite games that we've used with our own kids and in classrooms. So this one is a lot of people tell us that they do mental math in the car with kids. They just ask them a question and then they share the way that they actually solved it in their minds, right? And what they're seeing in their minds. And we love that and we think that's amazing. But we want to extend that even to fractions because fractions is something that kids really tend to struggle with.
Yeah.
So our game today is basically that we're going to do mental math with fractions.
All right. So should we pose? Are you going to pose a question to me?
Sure. So let's think about 2/3 times 9.
Ooh, so do you mean 2/3 of 9?
So that's the first thing we want to do, right?
Yeah.
So whenever we're doing this and kids are just getting used to fractions, they need to know that that multiplication sign can be read of. So it's 2/3 of 9.
Okay, so 2/3 of 9. So if I go 3, 6, 9, then 2 of them are 6.
Exactly. So that they really think about that bottom number, the denominator actually being splitting into that many groups and then the top taking however many of those groups. Hi, amazing YouTube subscribers. We were editing the video and we realized that we needed a little bit more info and some visuals. So that's what this is. All right. So the question was 2/3 of 9. So let's just think about that for a second and let's think about multiplication. So if we have 2 times 9, we can think of this as 2 groups of 9. So that's the language that we're going to keep as the of. So if we have 2/3 times 9, we can think of that as 2/3 of 9. So the way that Mark explained it was that we're going to split 9 into 3 equal groups. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have 1 group of 3, 2 groups of 3, 3 groups of 3. So we've got 3 equal groups. And then we take 2 of them. So for instance, we could take this. So then we know that 2/3 times 9 equals 6. Another way that a lot of kids will think about it that we didn't talk about in the video, but I want to show you now is they actually think about it taking 2/3 of each one of the 9. So we can have like 9 rods. That's often, or 9 pieces of paper is what kids might think about. So I'm going to go and draw them. You can think of them as rods or papers, whichever one you want. Little strips. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you split each one into 3. There we go. And then we take 2 out of the 3 for each one. So we might want to take this one. There we go. And we're going to toss these other ones out. So we have 2 times 9 of them. So we actually have 18/3. And when we add them all together, what we could do is we could take this one and we could put it here, and take this one and put it here, take this one and put it here, this one, put it here, this one, put it here, and this one, put it here. And then we have this many, which will be 6. So we get 6 again. So whichever way you want to think about it is fine. Some people find this way a little bit more efficient, but this way works too. All right, I hope you're having tons of math fun. Yeah, so that's what we want you to play with your kids is all these really cool fraction questions. And so we hope you enjoy it and tune in. Thank you so much for following. We're going to share way more games that people can play, just quick, easy, simple ones like this with their kids over the holidays. So like, share, follow, and we'll see you soon.
See ya.